Man, what the fuck, man?
It was, bro.
Hey, man, that fucking silly shit, man. Don't do that shit.
It was
This Instagram bullshit, man. Don't do that. I'm a grown-ass man.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I went
all over me. I want to...
I'm sorry, sir. I did a lot of blow last night. I went on a bendy. Sorry, I just have the...
Sorry, you need to go... You need to get out of it. I'm going to report you. Without turning, you sneezed right into me.
I'm sorry. Here, let me wipe it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a beautiful neck, sir.
My bad, man. I kind of have like a flu disease. It's like I just got a flu disease. That's it, man. That's it.
What the fuck you doing, man? Put that shit on YouTube, fool. What the fuck you doing?
Did I get you? Did I get you? My bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Is that a fucking shit? Tell me it's a fucking prank. Tell me it's a fucking prank right now.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, don't do that prank shit with me, bro.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm just... Oh! I'm just playing. Okay. You got me good. Okay. I know, you got me good. Okay, my bad. I'm good.
Delete all that shit, bro.
You spared me.
Huh?
You spared me.
I sneezed on you?
Yeah, a lot, man. What happened?
Oh, really? I'm so sorry, man. I apologize.
You did it on purpose?
It was an accident. I have like the flu. I have the flu.
Believe me, it was a lot, man.
Oh,
I
really?
gotta go to the bathroom and clean my shit.
Do you want me to?
No, man. But believe me, man.
We're pranking you, man.
Believe me,
It's water.
Yeah, are you crazy, man? Fuck, you shit all over my neck. Shit.
My bad. Did I get you?
Yeah, you did.
Where? You want me to wipe it off?
No, it's fine.
I'm sorry.
I'm good.
I have the flu. Sorry.
Today we're at UCLA and we're going to be talking way too close to people.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, how's it going? I'm just trying to figure out where like all the engineering buildings are and stuff like that.
Are you okay?
What happened?
Yeah, the engineering building is over
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
This is, man, what are
And
you
then
doing?
it's right there, right? Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right, do you know exactly where the engineering building is?
It is like right. I'm sorry. Here.
I went to that one, but they said there's a.
Sorry, why are you getting so close?
What happened?
You're getting like really.
I'm getting close to you?
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Can you please like take a step
Okay.
back? Sorry.
My bad. Sorry.
It's all good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Do you know exactly where the engineering building is exactly?
Yeah. It's right here.
I went to that one, but they said there's more.
Can you back off a little bit?
What happened?
Can you just back off a little bit?
I'm sorry. I'm just really friendly.
Oh, it's that building right there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks, man.